club with dee-one and friends.
I just shit on me. Without wasting much of our time, it's funny. It's one of Nigeria's finest gifts to the world. He has blessed Lagos, he has blessed Port Harcourt, he has blessed Abuja, he has blessed Africa, he has blessed Europe, and he has blessed London and America. Ladies and gentlemen, for the opting time on this platform, please make welcome my brother, my friend, in whom we are well pleased, the one we call the author of comedy. Ladies and gentlemen, Destalker. A big round of applause for him. Yeah.
Well, I know the way my show be now. Alright, my names are Ogene Kohoya, Ogene Burie, Onabi Desmond. They call me the comedy catalyst, the author one of Nigerian comedy. You know me the one of Adeshokwe Kingdom. The other Ben Koyesi one of Nigerian comedy. Ego na bomb one of Nigerian comedy. I be comedian, I funny.
I introduce to you my international DJ Kesley. Oh yeah, he just come up from South Africa. Hey, you know me my time, you know the progress.
I just got back. I just got back. That was last 2 weeks. Just got back last 2 weeks. My whole like this. I copy like homecoming. Alright, if you are staying with somebody, go home now. Please. And if you are married, your wife is not here. And I should control you. I won't follow those people when they stay with person because they actually stay with person. I'm coming home.
Let the rain wash away.
I don't hear myself.
Yesterday.
Which one did you call the sound like saying earpiece at it? Hello. That one a look of filter chwa. A join on there. A join, yeah. As I hold on like this, the volume can go down. Hello. I don't like blowjob. Actually. I swear in the name of God, everything I will say to make you laugh, they are all lines, please. Alright, I just by the moon and the stars. Now the humorous. Now the year I just got back from I was in London. I was in London, right? From London, I stayed 9 days in London, then en route to Turkey, where I do my shopping. You get what I'm saying? Now, when I was in Turkey, I posted on my status that whatever you want, ask, I will buy it, but it should not be more than £5. No, why you are making offer like that? Post on registration, so because the last time when I go, that last time I will meet for London, you know, say one guy say, "Man, I buy a PS5 and I use PS4."
Every day I'm hustling.
See, now I got back. I bought a lot of things. I'm a Zara fan, so I bought a lot of Zara shoes, clothes, all Zara, all. So I got the people, got the commerce, I got the Dutch people. One of my guys is he viewed that post, but no talk. So as he called, I say, where you own? I say, when I post, you no talk. He said, by right. I suppose buy for that. I go say, but you no talk. Now I go say, why they talk like that now? Because of common Zara. I say, yes, common Zara. Now I say, when they sell for a jar under bridge for night. I said, no problem, I go buy your own. True to the next day, I guy bring 2 Zara. Now I throw me, see the Zara, I went to the get big boy. Come on, take it. Now I call look at. If they were original, they no fake. So I call look the Zara, the up na Zara. So I say, I look the bottom, I call see M I got to say now, Zaram.
Sometimes it feels like success is a trap.
Alright. Now, life is information. Anybody want to tell you education and scam? Avoid them. Education not be scam. Because of my friend no go school, he go join secret code for WhatsApp group.
This life is beautiful.
Life is a choice. As I said at the WhatsApp group, there is decline, there is accept or agree. Now the guy share profile picture, now I see shovel and hoe. I know the farmer you accept. 2 days later, now admin call him. He say run no. I say run from who? He say our court the fight. I said I don't understand. We should be our court the fight. He said the court when you join now. Cutlass and who? Now the guy said okay, he can, even that one run, who I go run from? He said anybody want to carry dread and tattoo? As I'm talking to you now, the guy is still running. This life, man, he's getting where this life to do. I don't know how you do. He's getting where the life to do. Information. Okay, no, let's take it. Let's take it. Today is Sunday. I don't be too. Let me remind you. Let me. I don't say. dee-one. I say now. Don't they do because I don't God is calling me. I mean not the PV call. I God is calling me. Yeah. So now you wake up, I just see miss call God.
When I think upon your goodness and your faithfulness.
Alright, now you know I know many people that say at the talk what you know they happen. Listen. Now, the fastest way to die and to sleep with Percy wife. You agree with me? The fastest way. Thank you. Let me come for you. As I thought I should caution the judge. Somebody open Proverbs 6:26. Can you open Proverbs 6:26? Now so my show the bill. I don't come up for that level one with that. You get one man. No man now. Proverbs 6:26. Are you there? Are you there? Arole, man of God, you not supposed to delay. Mona, listen up. Read for me. For a prostitute can be hard for a loaf of bread. Lagos girls gonna to cost.
Turning things around. Oh, it's turning things around.
You know what? He said a prostitute can be hard for a loaf of bread. How much be bread?
If you ask me,
I guess it. Oh yeah, continue, sir. Another man's wife. Praise on your very own life. On Ayera. New Living Testament. Read for me, Daddy. For a prostitute will bring what? Poverty. Sleeping with another man's wife will cost you your life, and you are still doubting. But where I fear for Bible, story of King David. King David, because he na king, in palace he waka for up. Now I see one girl the back. Mona listen oh. See one girl the back. Now he call one of the army, Joab. He said, come. Who be that small guy when he has the shake? He said, small has the shake, small has the shake. Who be that girl? Who be that sweet girl now? Oh, that is saying that I may bring her. King David. Sheba, the daughter of Haya, the wife of Uriah. Mona listen, now King David say, go and fetch her.
Like a water.
God bless you. Now they go bring her. See how Bible talk about. And King David slept with her. Easy. Very easy. Now you know, say now what you think is sweet. As he sleep with her, I say, wow, this girl is sweet. Who be the husband? Say, nah, one of your soldier. Who? He say, Uriah. He say, where the Uriah there now? They say they were. And he never died. Now he tell Joab say, oh, put Uriah for front. Men no say women don't dey cause problems since. See so? Put that back, central defense. Now so they take kill the guy. Listen to me. And Bible recorded and Bathsheba took in. She get belly once. What did they keep person there? They custom. How much be Igbo? No, you think I'm not Igbo? How much be gone? Don't no custom. For data, one gunshot, 1,000. Now listen to me. Oh, not be everything when people they do, you go to pull mato. Money changer for my club last week Friday. Money changer won't attack when I see all these small girls. All these girls, this generation. Malay Baskadabo. All those small girls. 18, 19 years, 20. What did they do?
Do it.
Money changer won't attack club. I see small girls. They take one they call molly.
Happiness pills.
Happiness. See there? When he wants change inside club, clap it to you for island. Now he ask the guys, what are they take? Now he wants it's money. Now he ask, what did they do? He said, we make you happy. Money change and when you not get joy before. You know the difference between possession and ownership. Possession, the thing in your hand. Ownership, now you get them. Listing. Now money change and say, hey. So if I take an I go happy. They say yes. Say me they give me. It's small. Now they give her money. They work after 14 seconds. Now money change and just enter club. As he put her for math, he never word. He not wait. He just enter club. They happy. They owe 4 million. He just they happy. 9 DJ can go play the money when we get to. Money change and just shoot her for the bar. 1,000. Hype maker they shout, hey, money changer is doing it. Money changer money. They get money. Man when not get money na slave queen. You know say money changer spray 4 million. Why not be on? Now, not be this in pay me. No, not be waiting pay me. The next day, 9 money changer call me. Hello. I said, money changer, go and do it for you, go do it for me. He said, baby, you did club yesterday. I said, I did club. You see what I do? I said, my brother, you shut down yesterday. What did pay me? I say, so if I did go astray. Life is beautiful when you hold, not when you hold people. My brother, where are they fear this life? You get the way you go poor, you appreciate everything. When I was growing up, let me go there. When I was growing up, I don't know that my family were poor. Because if I ask my papa for Bible, he go give me. If I ask her for a ruler, he go give me. But what problem got there? I can't find out say anytime any of my younger one fail for school, my father don't invest. What time is that? That is him. Why be say my younger one fail? You know they invest. Now I laugh. Now I call me. Oh, I said that. You know why? I said no. He said because the one when he fail, now the book when he used last year, he will use this year. Poor again. Now when I see him for Bible, say even the family of the poor avoid him.
Jesus, you love me too much, too much,
Don't be poverty. Say even the family of the poor. That mean when poor man call rich man, if rich man no pay, poor man they create excuse on behalf of the rich man. As you call rich man no pay, you go to tell your friend, you go to meeting. Like I said before, the soccer comedian is the handle Destalker, comedian COMEDIAN. Listen, life is beautiful when everybody is doing well. I would like to be here again anytime I'm in Lagos on Sunday so that we can talk more on life issues. God bless you. Good night. My name is Destalker.
Appreciation.
Ladies and gentlemen, Destalker, please a round of applause for Destalker. All right, thank you very much. Thank you. A big shout out to Rolia Rolling. Thank you so much. And of course, 2020 Media, thank you so much.
Comedy Club with dee-one.